If you think true and false are just on and off switches in Python, you are actually missing half of the language's DNA. Look at this code. It looks like syntax error waiting to happen. How do you multiply a string by a boolean? And how do you add true to true? Most beginners think this code will crash. Before I explain anything, drop your answer in the comments. What do you think gets printed? Pause the video if you needed to. I will wait. Okay, let's go line by line. And I promise by the end of this video, you will never forget this concept again. Before I explain, I need to tell you one thing that Python hides from most beginners. In Python, boolean is not its own separate thing. It's actually a subset of integer. That means true and false are not just keywords. They are real integer values living inside Python's memory. True is literally the number 1 and false is literally the number 0. You can actually prove this yourself. Python itself is telling you, yes, bool is type of int. This is not a bug. This is a design decision that has been in Python since version 2.3. The Python developers made bool inherit from int so that true and false can be used in any mathematical context. Keep this in your head. Now let's destroy the code line by line. Okay, first 3 lines. A equal true plus false. B equal true multiply 5 and C equal false multiply 99. Since true is 1 and false is 0. Python just does normal addition and multiplication here. A equal true plus false equal 1 plus 1 plus 0. It is 2. And B equal true multiplied 5 equal 1 multiply 5. It is 5. And C equal false multiply 99 equals 0 multiplied 99. It is 0. Pretty straightforward once you know the secret, right? But wait, it gets weird. How many of you thought this would throw an error? Totally valid. Because in most programming languages like Java or C, you cannot do math with booleans. Python is different, and sometimes that flexibility surprises you. Now this is where most people's brain breaks. D equal yes multiplied true, E equal no multiplied false. Wait, can you multiply a string by a boolean? Let me ask you something first. Can you multiply a string by an integer in Python? Yes, you can do. For example, ha multiplied 3 and you can get this. You have probably seen this before. So now, since true is 1 and false is 0, D equal yes multiplied true equals yes multiplied 1. It is yes. Next one is E equal no multiplied false. It equal no multiplied 0. It is empty strings. No multiplied 0 times gives you nothing and empty strings. You want to see anything printed for E, it just shows blank. This is actually super useful in real code. Imagine you want to show a message only when a condition is true. If admin is true, message prints. If false, nothing. One line. No if statement needed. Okay, next line. Print type true plus 1. Quick question. What type do you think this is? It is bool or int? The answer is it is int. Here's why. When Python does math between a bool and an int, it upgrades the result to int. Think of it like this. Bool is a smaller, more specific type. Int is the bigger, more general type. When they meet in an operation, Python plays it safe and returns the bigger type. This is called type promotion or winding in programming. The small type gets promoted to the bigger one, so no information is lost. Okay, now try this. Print type true, print type true plus 0, and print type true plus 0.0. See how Python keeps upgrading? Bold in float. Each step goes wider. Last line. And this one is my favorite. Print inside parentheses true equal 1 equal 1.0. What does this print? True or false? The answer is true. Here's why. In Python, chain comparisons are evaluated left to right all at once. So this is not doing then comparing that result to 1.0. It is checking. Is true equal 1? Yes, because true is 1. Is 1 equal 1.0? Yes, because Python compares values across int and float. Are all of them true at the same time? Yes. So the final answer is true. Okay, let's bring it all together. Here's the complete output. So what is the real world lesson here? In Python, booleans are not just for if statements. They are actual numbers. You can count true values in a list with sum. You can use them as multipliers and you can use them as indexes. So remember, true is not just true. It is actually 1. And that one small detail can you completely change how your code behave. If you learned something new today, subscribe for more Python breakdowns like this.